Oh, smart.
Come on, big boy. Come on. Come on, buddy.
He's trying. He's serious. I'm gonna help you. Wait. I'm helping him. Yeah.
Justin, let go of him for a second. Let him do it by himself.
No, I'm helping him.
Good boy. Good boy. Look at you. What a big boy. You're so big now. You're getting to be a big baby, huh?